Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce commute time with Uber, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are signed in with your account. Enter your destination in the Where To search bar. Select the type of ride that fits your needs. Choose the option that offers the quickest route. Check the estimated time of arrival for each option. Be mindful of real-time traffic data displayed on the map. If possible, schedule your ride during off-peak hours. Consider ride-sharing options for a potentially faster trip. Keep the app updated to access the latest features and improvements. Review the fare estimates to ensure they meet your budget. Confirm your pickup location and make any necessary adjustments. Communicate with your driver through the app if needed. Stay aware of your surroundings while you wait. Once your driver arrives, verify their details before entering the vehicle. Follow the route provided by the app during your ride. Utilize the shortest route feature if available. Be prepared to provide feedback at the end of your ride. Evaluate your journey to identify ways to optimize future trips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.